Good morning to everyone. Today discussing the topic is temperature and its measurement. Okay. Today discussing the lesson name is temperature and measurement. Generally you think temperature means that is your feel or effect on it. Yes or no? For suppose for example you are touch the any object. In cool object, you are consider the cool object ice that is ice cream or ice pieces or anything on. You are touch that object, you feel very cool. Yes or no? For example, one more example is you are take the hot water. Yes or no? Just you are keeping the finger. So what you are feeling? That is you feel to very hot. Yes or no? So that is mainly discussing that is the temperature is here it's measurement. Okay, just you are discussing here. You are measuring the temperature only. How can you are possible to you are measuring and what is using that is which materials are using you are measuring the temperature. That's only you are discussing here. Okay, and heat also discussing the that is the heat energy also discussing in this lesson. Okay, and a number of thermometers are also discussing in this lesson. Now, in for suppose in a summer season, you are using which cloth? That is cotton cloth or that is a light color cloth only. Why are you using that particular cloth? Because that is sunlight is not absorbing the light colors and cotton cloth only. So automatically you are feeling to inside is very cool. Okay. In winter season you are using the which materials? That is the woolen cloth or dark color cloth only. Okay. Why are using mainly purpose? That is inside is the observing condition is the warm condition. Okay, your body is considered in a warm condition. That's why in a winter season using in a dark colors or woolen cloth only. In a summer season using in a light colors and a cotton cloth. Okay, so now here mainly temperature is what is the meaning of temperature? Your effect or feel only. Yes or no? But suppose you are considered the any ice cream. So that is you take the ice cream only. So what you are feel? That is you are feeling very cool. Yes or no? You are take the hot water. That is hot water or coffee or anything only. Okay now? So you are feeling is very hot. Yes or no? So that is a hotness or coolness or you are observing in your daily life. Yes or no? So now here discussing the temperature mainly that is the measuring of the hotness or coldness. So both of you measuring in the temperature only. Yes or no? So that is a mainly temperature is that is a measuring of the degree of hotness or coldness. In a ice, that is the ice temperature is considered the 0 degree Celsius. Yes or no? So this is the melting point is considered the 100 degree Celsius. That is the ice converted to the water. Yes or no? So this is considered the 100 degree Celsius. So in ice consider the 0 degree Celsius and water is that is the boiling that is the melting point of the point is considered the 100 degree Celsius. So here you take the only one material but you are observing the two conditions that is the cold and hot. Yes or no? So automatically here that is ice is absorb the room temperature only. So automatically that ice is the melting that is the come to melting condition. That is melting point is considered the 100 degree Celsius. Okay. For suppose one more example, you are rubbing the palm. So what you feel? That you can feel the very hot. Yes or no? So one more example, you are rubbing the soap nut seeds on the stone only. So what you touch the soap nut seeds. What you feel? You feel the very hot. Yes or no? And one more thing is you are rubbing two stones. So you are coming to fire only. Yes or no? That is the heat is produced. So that is the heat is from the one of the energy only. That is formed to the 5. Yes or no? So that one also you are considered the very hot. So one more example, you are considered the ice cream. So ice cream also you are considered the very cool condition. Yes or no? So you are just you are touch the object, you are feeling to the very cool. So there is a temperature, you are mainly degree of, you are measuring the degree of hotness or coldness. Anything only. Your body, for suppose your body temperature consider the starting is a 37 degrees Celsius only. Yes or no? But here actually that starting temperature is considered the 0 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? In cooling, that is ice place. But here your body temperature is considered the 37 degrees Celsius. So here variation you are observed. Yes or no? So automatically you touch the ice, you feel to the very cool. So some temperature you are present in your body. Yes or no? That's why you are considered the, this is the cooling condition. Yes or no? So we are take the that is melting point, melting condition of the point is considered the very hot because your temperature is the 37 degrees Celsius your body temperature. But here that is the boiling temperature, that is the boiling point is considered in 100 degrees Celsius. Automatically you are touched that this point is considered the very hot. Yes or no ma? So mainly your surrounding your one more example in a summer season. In summer season also you are consider your surrounding you are considered very hot. Yes or no? That means in a house in a house side also you are considered the very hot. Yes or no ma? So that is in air condition also, that is molecules are present only. In air condition that is air also you are considered in a temperature are present only. Because in molecules are present only na, that is the molecules present means so molecules means that is atom to atom to is a collision, is a present only. Yes or no? So you are applied the heat, that is you are given to the temperature or heat or anything only. So automatically that collision that is molecules is expanded. That is a ripple. Not ripple, just here consider that is a change the position. So that is a expand to the occupy the space is the more because here given to the some temperature or heat. So that's why automatically that molecules is expanded to the, that is occupied to the more space only. Okay. So here in air condition in summer season why are considered in inside of the hotter. So that is sunlight is that is air is coming to inside only. So automatically that is heat also, that is the temperature also transfer to the one place to another place. That's why in considered in house also in a very hot in summer season. In winter season also you are considered inside the house is also very cool because that is molecules is attract to this is more, that is a collision is a main, that is a point to, that is a molecule to molecule distance is occupy the space is a very little bit only. That's why that is a in a winter season you are considering in your body a very cool condition only. You understood ma? For one more example, you take the one balloon ma. You take the one balloon. Okay. So this balloon you are keeping in a one refrigerator and one more balloon you are keeping in sunlight outside, that is keeping in a sunlight only. Okay now. Just two balloons you are observing after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So in a refrigerator that is the balloon is gradually decreasing the size. So gradually decreasing the size, that is because that is molecules is considered the, that is extended to the is coming to the closely. Okay, so that's why automatically that size is decreases, gradually decreases. But in keeping in outside, that is inside in keeping in sunlight only. Yes or no? That is automatically that is absorb the temperature or heat only. Yes or no? So that is molecules is expanded to the, that is occupy the space is the more. So automatically the balloon size is gradually increases. Okay, you are understood ma'am? So that is mainly molecules also depending in a temperature. Okay, so that is the molecules occupy the space means, that is occupy the more space means that is the temperature is the more in inside the balloon. For suppose that is a balloon size is gradually decreases, means that is molecule size is that is come to the level is some little bit only. Okay, now is coming to the closely. So all molecules is coming to the closely. So here see that is a, so this is a molecules is considered very closely. But in here that molecules is expanded to the more space. That is extend to the more space. That is outside the space is the more, because here consider the hot air. So hot air is a weightless or that is a very weight. Here consider the very weightless only. Okay, now that's why that is the hot air is moving in a upward direction and cold air is considered in a downward direction. Okay, so 3 balls now. Now here take the 3 balls. So one is here cold water and here hot water and here warm water. Okay. So here just you are keeping the one finger is keeping in a cold water and another hand is keeping that is one finger is keeping in a hot water. So here consider the very cool. That finger is you are feeling to very cool and here this finger is feeling to very hot. Yes or no? But your object is the same only. But you are feeling to both. Yes or no? Cool and hot only. Yes or no, ma? So both of you fingers keeping in a warm water. So automatically that the temperature level is that is transferred to the one system to another system. That is finally is considered in a equal temperature only. Yes or no? You are understood, ma? So the mainly here what is the observed manner? That is the temperature. That is hot. That is the temperature is transferred to the one system to another system. Or heat energy also transferred to the one system to another system. Okay. So temperature mainly you are measuring the hotness or coldness, and heat energy also you are considering is a heat is a form of a energy. Okay. So heat also considered you are measuring the temperature level. So temperature also you are measuring the heat energy of the level. Okay. So temperature also you are measuring the heat energy of the level. Okay. Draw the temperature of measuring and degree of coldness or hotness. Okay. So that is mainly the temperature measurement of the object. So degree of coldness or hotness. Okay. And heat, and that is the heat also you are transferred to the one object to the another object. Okay. You are understood, ma'am? For suppose the energy is given to the, that is the heat is given to the energy only. In early morning you are some people you are taking the, that is a coffee only. Yes or no? Hot coffee. So automatically you are absorb the some heat your body. Yes or no? Understood, ma'am? So automatically your outside the heat is that is moving to, that is heat flows from to the inside the your body. Yes or no? You take the coffee, that is a hot coffee, automatically that heat is flow from to the your body. And one more thing is for suppose outside in surrounding is considered in very cool condition. So automatically your body temperature is transferred to the in a surrounding, that is coming to outside, that is the heat is flow from to the outside one, that is come to outside. Okay, you are understood, ma? So automatically finally that temperature level is balanced to the both, that is both objects. Okay, understood, ma? For suppose here see, ma, one more example. Here take the cool object. For suppose not cool object, this is take the one system. This is the A system. This temperature level is considered the 10 degrees Celsius, and here attached to the one more object. Okay. So this temperature is considered the object. This system is considered the B, and this object is this object temperature level is considered the 20 degree Celsius. Okay. Already before discussing the our point, yes or no, the temperature level is transfer to the one system to another system. Automatically heat energy also transfer to the one system to another system. Yes or no? So automatically this is a, that is the temperature level is transferred to the higher to lower. Okay, that is the higher temperature to the lower temperature. So this temperature is considered the 20 degrees Celsius means that is the higher level. This is the 10 degrees Celsius considered the lower level. So this temperature is transferred to the A system. Yes or no? And automatically this is balanced to the both. Okay, finally is considered the 15 degrees Celsius. Here 15 degrees Celsius. So both consider the some amount of the temperature are present. Okay, you are measuring the temperature, automatically you are consider the both of you same. Okay, you are understood, ma? One more object here, that is you are attached to them one more system. So here this is the 0 degrees Celsius only. Okay, just you are consider one more object. Automatically these are three systems are, that is the sharing to the temperature. You are understood, ma? So here first object is considered 15 degrees Celsius and second system is considered the 15 degrees Celsius. So but here consider the C system. Okay, this is the C system. So here degree Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius. Automatically the temperature level is sharing to the all systems. So all systems means this is the 10, this is the 10 and 10. So both of, that is the three systems are sharing to the, that is finally you are consider the three systems are same temperatures are finally you are consider. Yes or no? So temperature is transferred to the higher level to the lower level. Okay, you are understood, ma? Cooking the rice. You are cooking the rice. Your starting level is considered the, there is a small you take the so this is the cooking rice. Here given to the some energy. Yes or no? That is the heat energy. Here given to the some heat energy. So automatically that is the inside the water is boiling. Yes or no? Because that is heat is a transfer, that is a flows from inside only. Okay, that heat is transferred to the inside the water. That is a bowl is a heating. After is a, that is a heat is transferred to the, that is a flows from the inside the material. Yes sir, no, that is automatically absorb the heat condition. So that is finally is cooking the rice. So in this side you are observing, sometimes you are observing inside some sounds is are present because that is here given to the heat energy. Yes or no? So automatically that is transfer, that is flows from inside only, na? That heat is flows from inside. So automatically this is the cooking started. Yes or no? That is boiling the water. Boiling the water means this is the already discussing one point, that is the hot air or the cool air. That is the hot air is moving in any time is moving in upward because that is weightless only. Cool air is considered the moving in a downward direction because that is the weight is the more. So here also same. So here molecules is moving in a upward direction because here given to the some heat energy. So that is that's why you are boiling the water. So automatically that is the hot water is moving in a upward direction and cool water is cool water is moving in a downward direction. Okay, so hot water is moving the upward direction and cool water is moving downward direction. So automatically that is the rice is moving. That is the inside is coming to sounds. So that is moving in up and down, up and down. That's why you are considering some sounds are present in the bowl. Okay, and sometimes you are keeping, that is the lid is moving in a downward direction. That is this one also moving in a upward direction. Up and down, up and down. That sound is present only. Yes sir? Because here warm is present only. That is the water vapor is moving in a upward direction. So that's why this is some from the energy only. Yes sir? No. So this energy is that is attached to the plate. Automatically that plate also moving in a up and down, up and down. Okay. So that is the water vapor moving in upward direction. So attached, that is attached to the plate. Automatically that plate is moving in up and down or sometimes fell down only. Okay. So because he have given to the, depending on the heat energy only. Here given to the energy automatically that is given to the energy means here given to the more energy, that is heat energy, automatically that is water vapor also moving in a forcefully. In moving in upward is direction is the very forceful. That's why that plate is moving in the automatically fell down. Okay, you understood, ma'am? Heat energy, that is heat is a form of energy. Okay, so heat is a now discussing the topic is heat is a form of energy. Okay, some people is sitting in the near the fire only. Okay, so why are sitting in the near the fire? Because your body, that's condition, your body is very cool. That's why you are sitting near to the fire. Automatically that heat is a transfer, that is a flow from to the your body. Okay, that is automatically you are moving into the inside, that is absorb the some heat your body. Yes sir, no ma? So that's why you are observing your body, you are feeling to the your body is very hot. Okay, you are understood, ma'am? Same thing is for suppose in thermometer, you take the thermometer. Why are you using the thermometer? That is you are measuring the your body temperature. Yes or no? You are consider the your body temperature using the thermometer only. Okay. For suppose the thermometer keeping near the fire. Okay. So that is thermometer mercury level is gradually increases. Yes or no? That level is gradually increases. Okay, so that body temperature gradually increases. That heat is that mercury level is gradually increases. Sometimes that is this is level is consider the your body temperature is mean 37 degrees only. Yes or no? So here that starting level is considered the 35 degrees to Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. You are measuring the that is mainly measuring the temperature level is 37 to 42 only.